So what's up guys, it's Technology back here, and I recently uploaded this video where I showed you how can you claim 1 month of free Discord Nitro. It's an official free trial, so you don't need to pay anything for that and you get 1 month of Discord Nitro, which I already have claimed and I'm using it at the moment, but I did not see there are some other bonuses in this as well. For example, if you go to your user settings and check your gift inventory, you have Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, which is valid for 2 months. So you get access to a hell lot of games from the Xbox platform. You just need to press C code. The code comes up here. You need to copy this thing and then simply go to your Xbox application. You can download it from Windows Store and then simply redeem it. You get 2 months of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. Besides that, you also get server boost. So if I just head over to the server boost section and click boost the server, and there you go, you get 2 server boosts, so you can just boost twice. So here my server has reached level 1. Now people can stream and screen share at 1080p for sure, and now I have no more server boosts left with me. So you basically get 2 server boosts which will be on your server for the 1 month till you have Discord Nitro. So make sure you go ahead and claim your Discord Nitro right away. You just need to go to your Nitro section and then simply claim it. If you're not getting the option, it's your bad. So that's it. Thanks for watching.